I'll do a very quick one. On a serious security breach. Merena Amo Lumpiri. The boundary between Amol and Omonjam. Noni Hitempiri. Mbitolo LG. A very serious security breach. And we want the government of Imo State to look into this. This is not a joking matter. This is not a drill. This is serious. This is serious. I'll play the video now. Helicopter. The Amolos na ha. Horona Baliane Ferrari. N'abalị hotere today n'ime abalị helicopter na-enweghị ọkụ a na-efegharị around 4 o'clock in the morning atụọ bomb na one uncompleted building nọ n'Ụmụneke Amolumpieri na Mpitolu LGA. I will play the video now, very short clip. I will play it now so that you will see what we are talking about.
Lekwe bomb mere ụlọ mmadụ. Lekwe bomb mere ụlọ mmadụ. Zinc erufu n'ụlọ but it's bomb agbawacha na lufucha ihe niile na-eji. Hai. Lekwe bomb mere ụlọ mmadụ. Lekwe bomb mere. Le zinc ebe ahụ zinc ihe zinc mere ihe.
So please, we are asking the government of Imo State to do something immediately. Do something immediately. I'm 100 through the bomb. I'm 100 Tokashirola. A building that is standing. Akrola zinc. Atokashiala. I'm 100 Tokashiria. So the government of Imo State should do something real quick. We have a meeting. This needs a swift action to protect life and properties of Ndembi Tolu, especially Ndamo Lumpiri and Ndi Hitempiri. Biko, Adroka Enario. Kahapi Ibuoke, Kiha happy we hana Piganini. That's numereno. That's a numereno. Any direct foot and decorunda to bomba. Obrona Hatch and Eba, who probably know military helicopter through the bomb. Maybe na Hatch and Eba and Ande, Kidnapper, or Wunde, Guinea a Zonga. At least the community got their way, the PG got their way, the EZA got their way. You know, before any operation, the community must be aware. Okay, what can you see hint at the community? Hint, you're going to hint the entire community, a hint EZA, more the PG of that community. Very, very important. Camera more, the military carry out. It is very important that a swift investigation should be launched. Ni Hemere, ni Hitembiri, Ponkwem Namo Lumbiri.